Hi guys, this is Nikhil. So today I am going to discuss the question paper of RSM SSB Rajasthan Staff Selection Board JE Diploma Level Paper. Okay, this is RSM SSB JE Electrical. So in JE Electrical, basically two types of exams are there. One is diploma level and other one is degree level is there. So presently I am going to discuss one question paper which was held during November 2020, recent question paper only. Diploma level ka question paper now I will discuss. Okay, so this is going to be in English, this entire series. I will be discussing topic wise, so you will be having videos topic wise. So it will be in English only. And I urge, because most of my followers are from Telugu states, AP and Telangana, మీకు నేను ఏం చెప్తానంటే ఆల్ ది జేఎల్ఎం ఆస్పిరెంట్స్ ఎస్పెషలీ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఈ సబ్ ఇంజనీర్ ఆర్ ఎస్ఎస్సి జేఈ ఆస్పిరెంట్స్ కూడా ఉంటారు కదా. ఓకే, సబ్ ఇంజనీర్ కానీ ఎస్ఎస్సి ఆర్ ఎనీ జేఈ లెవెల్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కానీ, ఫర్ దట్ మ్యాటర్ ఏఈ లెవెల్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఆల్సో, ప్లీజ్ పే వెరీ మచ్ అటెన్షన్ టు దిస్ పర్టికులర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్. నైస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, రిపీటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, స్టాండర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ సిరీస్. దట్ విల్ బీ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ యువర్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఆల్సో. సో మీకు చాలా బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతుంది. So kindly you follow this series. Right, now we will talk about the syllabus. So what is the syllabus first of all? Okay, syllabus of RSM SSB JE diploma level. So diploma level JE electrical syllabus is, see, actually I did gone through the notification or did not see that particular syllabus what is officially given, but I have just gone through this one question paper and based on that I have written the syllabus, as you can see on this side of the screen. Okay, so basically there are these many topics are there. Okay, means I am not talking to subject wise, but I have bifurcated all the topics into topic wise only. So first one is basic electrical engineering. So basic electrical engineering, the weightage was 8 questions, and next one is DC circuits. So in DC circuits what you will do, basically you will see about network analysis, mesh analysis, node analysis, theorems and all. So 3 questions were asked from DC circuits. Again you have AC circuits, which is nothing but AC fundamentals, includes 3-phase AC circuits also. So the weightage was 5 questions like that. And again we have magnetism. So magnetism is 7 questions. So usually we combine basic electrical, DC circuits, AC circuits and magnetism together into one subject, and we will call it circuit analysis. So if you talk from that point of view, 7 plus 5 and this is 5, this is 8. So 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 8 is 20 plus 3 23 questions. So from that point of view, network analysis, or I can say circuits only itself is 20 questions, 23 questions weightage for this particular exam. Okay, so you have to pay attention. So that entire circuits thing I have bifurcated into basics, DC circuits, AC circuits and magnetism. That's it. But overall the weightage is about 20. And when you talk about the exam pattern, okay, the exam pattern is like this, which I have observed. So total 120 questions are there. Out of the 120 questions, 40 questions are general studies and 80 questions are technical questions are there. So out of these 80 questions, you see 23 questions belonging to one subject only, that is circuits only. Means coming from basic electrical, DC circuits, AC circuits and magnetism, means how much important, you see, nearly 25% of the paper has been covered from one subject only. So you cannot ignore at any cost. Next, when you come about machines means we will study about transformers, induction machines, DC and synchronous. So transformers, if you individually see, 5 questions, induction 4, DC 4, synchronous 5. So if you again combine together and you call them together as machines itself, so machines itself how many, 5 plus 4 plus 4, 18 questions. So machines itself is 18 questions. So already circuits 23, machines 18 questions. So together is going up to 41 questions, isn't it? 41 questions means 50% of the paper has been completed from 2 subjects only. Circuits and machines only, 2 subjects are making the 50% of the technical paper. Again come to next, electrical and electronic measuring instruments. This is again another core subject, 10 questions are there. Next you have basic electronics, 5 questions are there. And illumination engineering, so utilization part of electrical engineering. So in illumination 2 questions were asked. Again in illumination only you will study about drives also, 2 questions are there. In illumination you will study about welding also, heating and welding will be there. So here 1 question is there. So total overall utilization is 5 questions. So again, installation and estimation is separate. You will study about wiring, earthing, IE rules, etc. Things will be there. That is 6 marks, 6 questions. Again, coming to power system generation. In generation, we will study basically into 2 or 3 parts. One is general conventional power stations, thermal, hydro, and nuclear power stations. So they were asking from thermal power stations. So 2 questions from thermal power stations. Again, you have generation economics. 2 questions from generation economics, that is about this diversity factor, demand factor, these things, load factor. Again, non-renewable sources, that is about solar or this kind of things. 1 question was asked. So overall, if you talk about generation, 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5 questions. So averagely, if you take per topic, 5 questions are coming. And next you take transmission and distribution, a part of power systems only, 6 questions were asked. And again protection, 2 questions were asked. So if you club all of them together, so 5 questions from generation, 6 from transmission, 11 plus 2 from protection, 13. So 13 questions from power systems. So if you talk subject wise, each subject averagely carrying 10 to 15 marks. If you talk about topic wise, each topic is carrying about 5 marks. That's it. So you will be getting videos. I will be doing videos. Minimum each video must consist around 8 to 10 or 12 questions like that. I will try to maintain that ratio, so that we can discuss good things. And I hope you will be enjoying this series. Please try to follow, and please share my channel and subscribe also. And also for further updates and notification, so first subscribe to this channel. At the same time, in telegram you can follow my telegram group, Nikhil RLC. Just type in telegram, search Nikhil RLC, you will find my group. Okay. And for Telugu students, if you want paid courses, paid coaching in electrical engineering, please download RLC education app. Okay. So I have courses in Telugu medium as of now. English medium courses are not there. Maybe in future I will bring them out, but for now only Telugu are there. So for Telugu student, this is the thing. Okay. So from the next video onwards, we will start each subject analysis of questions. Okay. Thank you for watching.